POV. There is new information regarding the expansion of the multinational company.
Hi guys. Have you guys heard about the expansion of multinational companies like Unilever or Asahi? I'm first part of corporate companies like this. They basically create investment, create thousands of jobs, and boost the national economy.
Absolutely true. Just look at their CSR programs like building school or providing skill training for SMEs. Without this comparison, many people would struggle to get stable jobs with decent salaries. Our economy needs substantial capital from them to compete globally.
In the BPS data indicates that the corporate sector contribution
60%.
of our GDP. They also innovate technology like Gojek, which started as startup, but it's now a massive corporation, and transforming the lives of millions with digital service. They are extremely professional. Without them, we would still be lagging behind.
I agree in short, corporate companies are the engine of economic growth. Without them, we will see lost connection. Right?
Yes. Hi guys, oh my god. I'm extremely frustrated with large corporate companies like Freeport or other mining corporation. They exploit our natural resource, make trillions in profit. Yet the local people remain poor and the environment is sadly damaged.
Yeah, indeed they monopolize the market, push most buyer prices down to the point of bankruptcy. Workers are paid minimally and their insane working hours, and the right to strike is resisted. Just look at the cases of most layoffs automotive companies. Thousands of people unemployed due to their reckless advances.
Yes, of course.
Furthermore, their taxes are often optimized to the minimum, resulting in insufficient state fund for education and healthcare. These corporations benefit for as shareholders more the Indonesian people. There should be strict regulations to prevent such dominance.
Yes, in principle, I'm completely obsessed. Like they excel with social and healthy, we need more SMEs rather than corporate plans.